my grandbaby a healthy smoothie. And she has some issues with regularity and constipation. So this is going to add some fiber. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. I keep my fruit in the freezer once I'm afraid that it's going to, go bad. And that helps. I'm going to add a tablespoon of yogurt. I'm going to add just a little bit of chia seeds, not very many at all. That has lots of fiber and that helps, but I'm not going to put too many. Just a little bit. And I'm going to put about a third of a banana. I've had it in the freezer. I always put my bananas in the freezer when they start to turn dark. And you can see how those sugars develop. That's what's going to sweeten our smoothie. And I use these on my protein shakes as well. And they work great for that. And she actually, her and her sister both have been having these after school. And it is a lot healthier than junk. Put a few blueberries in there. Let's get some strawberries. Strawberries are frozen here in the bottom. And, okay, blueberries, bananas, strawberries. Okay, we got everything in there. And we might have to add more liquid. Let's just turn it on here and see. I call it her milkshake. She don't want stuff equal. What, baby? It's your milkshake. You're going to put a little bit more milk in it. It's a little bit, the strawberry's a little bit hard. See if it's done. Yep. Okay. See there what it looks like? And I just put it in a cup with a straw and she drinks it and she loves it. Do you want to try it? Tell me what it tastes like. Here, give it a taste. Tell me if it's any good. Is it coming out?
It's not coming.
Is it thick? Here, let me fix it. Is it coming out? Is it coming out?
No.
Let me get it. Here. Now try it. It's coming out.
It's good.
It's good?
Uh-huh.
What's it taste like?
Bananas and strawberries and blueberries.
Blueberries and strawberries and banana.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Give it a thumbs up. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.